So in this video, you'll learn how to extract audio from a project on CapCut PC. So doing this is fairly simple. All you need to do is ensure that the project has been added to the timeline. So just drag and drop the project onto the timeline. Then from here, you want to select the project and then right-click on it. On the right click, you should see this menu appearing. So what you want to do is simply look for extract audio and click on it. Once you've done that, you can see the audio from the current clip underneath your project. So just select it, and then from here, you can now start editing it. So this includes adjusting the volume, changing the pitch, and just increasing or decreasing the speed. So you have all sorts of things that you can apply onto this audio extraction. And then when you're ready, if you want to recombine them, you'll have to go to export and then simply export the project with the audio now added onto the clip. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.